here's that picture back side chair that we are going to put the horse on. It's going to have leather, and then it has that Western fabric on the outside back, but you can see it has a lot of damage to the show wood. They stapled into the show wood. There's splatters of paint. I'm going to take these L brackets off and tighten this up. You can see the wood is split here on the frame. And then we're just going to refinish it. I'm going to go over how to repair this, and then we'll start upholstering it. The seat will get rebuilt, so it'll have new webbing, new foam, Dacron, and then leather. Show you guys how to do that. And then the horse image will go on the inside back, and then it'll have that fabric on the outside back. And yeah, we'll just go on with it. So I've used my combination tool. This is a tool I use for tear down, but I've used it to pry these frame supports off so I can get to the back part of this frame rails. You'll see here that there's a dowel. This wood has split. Somebody put in these L brackets